In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eye-catching flyers in Canva. If you're promoting a community event, announcing a special sale, or sharing information for a local business, a strong flyer can make a huge difference. The problem is that many flyers end up looking crowded, blurry, or just plain forgettable. The good news is that Canva makes it much easier to build something clean, polished, and ready to print, even if you don't have design experience. To get started, open Canva from the homepage and go to the top right corner where you'll click Create a Design. In the search bar, type flyer, then choose the standard flyer in portrait format at 8.5 by 11 inches. Starting with the correct size right away is important because it helps your design stay sharp and properly formatted when it's printed later. Once your blank flyer is open, the next thing you want to do is turn on your guides and margins. Head to the File menu at the top, go into View Settings, and enable Show Rulers and Guides as well as Show Margins. This gives you a clear, visual safe zone on the page. It's especially helpful because anything too close to the edge could get trimmed when the flyer is printed, so these guides help keep your text and important details protected. Now it's time to choose a template. On the left side of Canva, open the Design or Templates panel and use the search bar to look for a flyer style that matches your goal. For example, you might search for a grand opening flyer, a concert promo, or a real estate open house design. Browse through the options and click the template you want to place it onto your canvas. Using a template gives you a strong layout foundation and saves a lot of time. After that, focus on the text hierarchy. Click into the main headline area of the template and replace the placeholder text with your own title. Make it bold, clear, and easy to read at a glance. A shorter headline usually has more impact, so keep it concise. Then update the supporting details like the date, time, and location, and make sure they sit neatly underneath. You can use the top toolbar to change fonts and colors so everything feels consistent and on brand. Finish with a clear call to action such as RSVP today or a website link. Before exporting, give the flyer one final review. Make sure all placeholder text is removed and that nothing important crosses the margin guides. Then go to Share, choose Download, and change the file type to PDF print. Also, turn on crop marks and bleed so the file is better prepared for printing. Finally, click Download to save your finished flyer. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.